Welcome back to the Art of Finesse channel. Today I'm reviewing Thursday boots, the Shadow Gray Cavalier boot. I got it in size 10.5. I actually got two boots, the other boots being the brown Scout boot, but in this video we'll go in detail for the Shadow Gray Cavalier boot, which is a Chelsea boot. The package took about 2 weeks to get here. There was a small custom fee to pay. Something to note for you guys. Sorry for the focus. My camera doesn't focus, doesn't have automatic focus when I zoom in and zoom out, But this is the Shadow Gray Cavalier boot box that I have in my hand right now. So we'll go ahead and unbox it and show you the quality of these boots. My first impression was, I was pretty impressed with the packaging and the smell of the leather. As soon as you open the box, you'll get this card / thank you letter. And which is nice. Also, you get this pouch whenever you order a Suede boot. You get a pouch with it, so something to note. So here, moving the camera to get a closer look. As you can see, it's very well packaged, and I was really excited to get these boots in because I usually wear Chelsea boots, but I have a cheap one that I ordered on eBay and it's starting to fall apart. So I was really excited to get something like this. So they come wrapped in this plastic bag, and there's papers shoved in the boot to keep its form. At first I was worried because I saw this little scuff, which you'll see in a minute, but that came off pretty quickly. You can see that scuff there, almost halfway through the shoe. But you see the color, you see the fade. The boot is it's a really nice boot, and it's weather resistant, water resistant. So it's gonna be an all-out regular shoe to wear when I go out, just because I'm familiar with these boots, and that's my style. Basically, I like wearing Chelsea boots. Now I ordered 10.5 because the website says to order a half size smaller than what you regularly wear, and I can see why. At first I was worried because they're long, they're long shoes, and if you order too large, too big, it's gonna look like you're wearing clown shoes. But and they're also very narrow. When I put them on for the first time, I was feeling a little bit uncomfortable, but very quickly after 1 or 2 wears, they mold into your feet, and it becomes more comfortable as you wear them. Now you can see the boots came in mint condition. There was no damage to them. There was nothing. You can also see the soles at the bottom. One thing to note, as soon as you put them on and you walk around, they're gonna get worn. Mine, I wore them maybe 2-3 times in the past couple of weeks, and it looks like I've been wearing them for years. So and to return them, you need to make sure that you don't wear them, basically, because as soon as there's wear, they won't accept the return. So that's the unboxing of the Shadow Gray Cavalier boot. Now let's take a closer look at the build quality. Alright, so this is a closer look at the Chelsea boots. The Shadow Gray weather-safe suede also has flexible elastic goring, Goodyear weld construction, full glove leather interior lining, pour-on antimicrobial shock absorbing insole, cork bed midsole, leather outsole with TPU studs for traction, and they're handcrafted with integrity. And that's all according to their website. And you can see that the quality's there. I like the distressed look, the fading of the suede, of the leather. Now these are shots after a few wears, and you'll see quickly that the sole of this boot, they get worn out pretty quickly. If you're planning to return them, if you don't like them, so make sure you don't wear them because this is after a couple of wears. You can see how it goes worn out pretty quick. So just be careful about that. But luckily for me, they fit me properly, and I like the style. The quality, the construction of the quality is up there. You're not gonna go wrong with Thursday boots. The price is right, and they just look amazing. Now let's switch the camera, and I'll show you how they look like on my feet. Alright, so just to compare, I have wide feet. I usually wear size 11, but I went with 10.5. And you can see that my foot's wider than the shoe. I was a bit worried, but after a few wears, they kind of mold to your feet. And you can see that I'm wearing my Bombas socks, very comfortable socks. I wore the white ones just to show you the contrast and how far up these boots go up. I'm also wearing my Seiko watch, you can see there, and some dark wash jeans. So once you put them on, you can kind of see, what I mean by they're a bit long, but if I went with size 11, I think they would be too long, and I can already start scuffing them at the tip because I'm not used to having long shoes like that. But there you go with them, closer look on my foot. Alright, so I got my Cuts clothing t-shirt Henley on, dark wash jeans, my Bombas shoes, my Bombas socks, and the Thursday boots on. Now I'm putting them on with my Boda Skins winter shearling jacket, one of my favorite jackets that I got, and this is the type of look that I usually go for. As you can see, everything's matching, everything looks clean, straight cut, nice fitting. The jeans are proper fitting. The watch also, it's an extra something that you must have a decent watch. Also, I'm gonna put it on with my Boda Skin minimal racer jacket just to show you the difference. I know the black on black kind of don't see very well, and it's very bright outside, but you can see that something like this looks very sharp, very clean, elegant. It's just a very good look with the Cuts clothing t-shirt Henley. It's just an amazing look, guys, and I'm very happy with the Thursday boot shoes. They fit me well, and stick around. I'll be doing a review on the brown scalp boots that I also got. So leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.